Hi, my name's Elliot and I'm the proud owner of Vision Personal Training Clarence Street in the heart of the Sydney CBD. And we've been helping people transform their lives since 2007 and would love to help you. Are you ready to start on your weight loss or fitness journey but don't know what to do? Well, the Vision Experience program runs through 4 steps, and that is emotions, education, eating and exercise to ensure that you're ready to succeed. And you will be delighted with our online Club Vision resource tools, videos, cooking demonstrations, recipes, and phone application, which will allow you access even whilst you're outside of the studio. We have a team of fun, dynamic, and experienced personal trainers to partner you on your journey to success. They will educate, motivate, inspire, and keep you accountable every step of the way. Not only will they take you personally through each and every session, they'll educate you through seminars, shopping tours, and we run awesome outdoor group exercise sessions to make use of our beautiful city landscape, including the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. How good is that? Finally, you have nothing to lose with our Vision Promise. If you don't achieve the goals set for you in the first 9 weeks, we'll not only give you your money back, but we'll train you for free until you do. So click on the link and let us help you get started today. No matter if it's for weight loss, strength, flexibility, or even rehabilitation, let's get you looking and feeling the way you want.